Welcome to this series of videos dedicated to a software that you can use to make a cross-platform application faster than ever. This is made by PCsoft from French. We are going to use the free limited version to start programming some simple projects. I will teach you the visual IDE with different areas. After this, we will see some very good tools for specific area that can permit use to automate some long tasks. And finally, we start to code something so we can learn the V5, V5 language from basics to advanced level. I hope to make good things for you folks. This is a very good development tool that can easily create nearly everything. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments if you want. Thanks. Bye.